We'll be arriving at Branley Castle in about 5 minutes. But before we get there, I'll give you a little information about the castle and what our visit will include. So, in fact, there's been a castle on this site for over 1100 years. The first building was a fort constructed in 914 AD for defence against Danish invaders by King Alfred the Great's daughter, who ruled England at the time. In the following century, after the Normans conquered England, the land was given to a nobleman called Richard de Vere, and he built a castle there that stayed in the de Vere family for over 400 years. However, when Queen Elizabeth I announced that she was going to visit the castle in 1576, it was beginning to look a bit run down. And it was decided that rather than repair the guest rooms, they'd make a new house for her, out of wood, next to the main hall. She stayed there for 4 nights, and apparently it was very luxurious, but unfortunately it was destroyed a few years later by fire. In the 17th century, the castle belonged to the wealthy Fennis family, who enlarged it and made it more comfortable. However, by 1982, the Fennis family could no longer afford to maintain the castle, even though they received government support, and they put it on the market. It was eventually taken over by a company who owned a number of amusement parks. But when we get there, I think you'll see that they've managed to retain the original atmosphere of the castle. When you go inside, you'll find that in the staterooms, there are lifelike moving wax models dressed in costumes of different periods in the past, which even carry on conversations together. As well as that, in every room, there are booklets giving information about what the room was used.
You may answer number 11, visit to Branley Castle. Number 11, Jack.
Number 11, before Queen Elizabeth I visited the castle visited the castle in 1576. A new building was constructed for her.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, a new building was constructed for her. Is it easy if you actually notice the keyword first?
Yes.
Yeah, because there are a lot of talks provided from the tag from the tape. Yeah. Next, Yumna.
In 1982, the castle was sold to an entertainment company.
Yeah, an entertainment company. Good job. Next, Jude.
In some of the rooms, visitors can see model of historical figures moving and talking.
Yes, it's from the wax. Yeah, and it's frightening. Yeah, for me. Yeah, wax statue and then talk. Yeah, talk and moving. Wow. Yeah. Next, Dafa.
Yes, Miss. Number 14. In the castle part, visitors can visit a small zoo.
Yeah, good job. Visit a small zoo. Next, yeah. Tata.
Number 15. At the end of the visit, the group will have a afternoon tea in the conservatory.
Yes. Afternoon tea. All correct? Everybody? Correct? Yeah. Next, Rafan. Okay.
Number 16.
Number 16.
Starting point for walking the walls is at H.
Is at H. Who's correct? Yeah. Great job. Next, Adeline.
Number 17. Look at row display D.
What is it?
D.
Delta. Good job. Yeah. Who's correct? Delta. Yeah. Good. Next, Cha.
Good.
Hunting bird display. B.
No, hunting bird display. What is it?
F.
F. Good job. Ya, siapa yang F? Who chooses F? F and then F. Adeline F. Raka F. Yeah, good. Next, Yumna.
Traditional dancing is on C.
No.
A.
Apa guys? Wah, ya emang bener-bener ya yang bisa ngelihat apa peta itu cowok ya. Next, Cut, the last.
E.
Shop E. Good job. Siapa yang E? Who answers E? Good, ya.